Oh, Buddy. Hey, Buddy, and
Loki is that one that is not blue-eyed.
with the yellow thingy on the top, a
Yeah.
crown.
Oh, the sapphire. Sapphire is that one that was there first.
Sapphire is the one with the blue eyes.
Yeah.
Hi, Sapphire.
And that
What are you
Buddy
eating,
is the
Sapphire?
one.
And this
It's
is
also,
Buddy.
that's I think that's Loki.
Oh, this is Lucky. Oh,
Yeah.
can I touch you? Oh, wow, I can touch you. You're so kind. Look at you. Oh, do you want to go to sleep? Do you like this? Do you like this, Buddy? Oh, hey. You must be happy you got visitors.
Yes. I love your
Oh, please don't go to sleep now. I'm not gonna do this long. Oh, Sophia, are you falling asleep too? Sophia, do you want me to touch you too? Hello, Cocky. Hello, Cocky. Can I touch you? Oh, yeah, I can touch you. Sophia, do you want to go to sleep now?
You want to continue to be touched?
I think so. Maybe, Auntie Doctor, you should come and give him some love. Oh, what are you doing? What's going on?
It's offering.
It's gonna do anything for me. Hey, Lucky, what's up, dude?
I think we are beautiful and lucky. Admires us.
Oh, thank you, Lucky. You're so cute. Lucky, can you look up? Do you want to go to sleep? Oh my gosh. Wow. I've never seen a cockatoo actually do this. Wow, this is amazing. They're so loving. Thank you for letting me touch you. Otherwise, you'd be flying in the forest right now. Okay, cockatoo, we'll see you later. You make us want to stay here. And Sophia, oh, there's a spider upon my shoulder. Right there. Where are you going? Spider? Hey, Sophia. Alright, thank you so much for your time. Buddy, I think you have to go to sleep now. Go back up to your branch. Oh no. Oh my gosh, my touch just put him to sleep. I do this with babies too. I made a little baby go to sleep yesterday. Her name was her name is Awa. It's a Tari name, but it means waterfall.
Huh?
That little baby I was carrying yesterday at church.
What's her name?
Waterfall, like the English term is waterfall, but in Tari language. Yeah. All right. Bye, guys. Bye, Lucky. Bye, Sophia. See you later.
Thank you.
Tata.
Thank you for your company.
Wallaby. Oh, sorry. That's not a wallaby. That's a tree kangaroo. Hey.
You come outside
Hey.
here, it's outside.
Hey. Really? It's outside.
Yeah, outside.
Hey. Hey, tree kangaroo. Okay, let's go see you close up. Hey, what are you doing? Can you come closer? Oh my God.
Good morning.
Good morning, little friend. You look so cute. You look so... Oh my gosh. Oh no, it's leaning down this way. Hey. You don't want to eat your vegetables. You want to eat some palm leaves? You like palm leaves? Are you going to come down this way? Because I'm not ready to catch you, buddy. Hey, are you gonna... Okay, I'm gonna leave you to it. So that one is a Godfellow
There are 17 species
tree
of
kangaroo.
kangaroos.
Couple.
Kangaroos
We call them couple.
found in Papua New Guinea and Australia, so we share. We share the kangaroos.
Really?
In Australia and Papua New Guinea, in New Guinea and Australia.
Oh, 17 species
Yeah.
and subspecies of tree kangaroos.
Yeah, 17 species and subspecies.
Okay.
So the same type of tree kangaroos can be found in Australia too, maybe especially in the Northern Territory.
Wow, wow. All right, let's go check out the snakes. Yeah, because they don't like the vegetables. They gave them kangkong and they don't want to eat kangkong. They prefer
Well,
palm.
they probably say that's for crocodiles.
Yeah, kangkong is for crocodiles. We're gonna have palm leaves, sago leaves. And so down this way. Oh, wait, hang on. So we have the birds of paradise here.
Yeah. Birds of paradise here.
Flames of paradise. When we have to hand sanitize. COVID-19, sanitize here. Alright, there you go. Oh my gosh, we can actually see birds of paradise. Yep. Those chains are quite heavy. Oh. Okay, let's see if we can find a bird of paradise. At least see if we can see one. I think I saw something. Alright, oh, yay, they're here. Hello, 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 hello. Oh, here we've got the trumpet manicode and we have Papuan king parrot. So the trumpet manicode is the black. What color is that? It makes a powerful, loud trumpeting call. Okay, so that's the entrance to that, and then oh wow, okay, that's the trumpet call.
So that's a trumpet.
Manicode. Oh, my little friend, you're already inside. So here, what do we have? Lowe's Paratia. And we have white-beaked fruit dove. White-beaked fruit dove. Wow, you can, yeah, I can see. Just there. Oh, okay. There's supposed to be two birds in here. We saw one. Where's the other one? Oh, up here. Oh my god, it's so beautiful and it's green. It's like a leaf.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
It's camouflaged.
What a pretty bird. Right
And
there.
the black one is there.
And the black one is down here. It's almost like
It's
a
a white
chicken.
fruit dove.
The one on top.
Yes, I
So
think
so if it's going to face us, we're going to see the white
Yeah, I
babe.
think. Yes. And there's a lost parrot here.
Yeah, that's the one walking down
Yes,
there.
okay.
Oh, there are two of them.
Yes, and then there are two. There's a black.
There's a black one and there's a
Like
brown
brown.
one. So they're both there. Yeah, I can see them. They're both jumping in there.
And then the other, this one. There, see, Andrea,
Huh?
look at
Oh, hello,
Yes.
white babe. Oh, look at you. Ah, you're a stunner.
it. Bring it closer.
Look at you.
There.
Wow.
You are beautiful.
You're such a typical bird.
Thank you.
Showing off your beautiful feathers.
Here comes this a better one for
Yes.
Ayo.
Wow, he's so.
On Highlands line, yeah.
But
They
there's
made
another
there.
one there. There's another one there.
This is like the Engen Bilas.
Yes.
Almost like the Engen
Yes,
Bilas.
Emi like Toklo and Bilas. Yeah, they have this thing on their chest, lots of Bilas.
Yeah.
And the green,
Yeah.
yeah, the
I
green
don't-
color on there.
Yeah, there's another parrot on the purple tree.
Popo tree.
Right up there at the top.
Oh.
Okay,
Oh
what's
wow.
that
Yeah.
one? I
True.
think that's the lost parrot.
That's the white
parrot.
babe. No, that's the white babe.
The white bib as well?
The lost one are at the
On the
bottom there.
ground.
They're probably at dwellers.
Oh, that's the
Oh no! Actually, it flew
yeah,
up.
the brownish one.
Oh, okay.
Hello.
Wow, we're learning a lot about you guys.
Oh, this black one has a lot of colors.
Yes, it's a rainbow.
So the brown one
chest.
doesn't have a lot of colors, but the black one has
Yes.
got colors. But where's the black one? It's hiding there
You
somewhere.
went into the cage where they feed them.
That's the one up there at the top, on the purple. That's brown.
Yeah.
There, it's flying down here. Friend.
Man, na black na? Emma, stop it there.
Yeah.
In the
Yeah.
cage.
In the little.
Okay. All right, let's go check out the bird of paradise. Oh Jesus!
What's that?
It flew right into me.
Fly out?
Yeah. Let's see this. What are we gonna find here?
Oh,
Bird of paradise
don't
is-
lead me into temptation.
Oh,
Bird of paradise is
Stephanie.
one of the best place I came.
Astrapia. Oh, this is the kumul.
this is the
Guys,
kumul.
this is the kumul, the blue one. And the oh wow, the other kumul is brown.
Yeah. Oh, this bird.
Astrapia stephania.
I saw this one at my book.
In your book?
Yeah.
Okay, let's find you. Kumul?
This is there or there.
Wow, this is our national bird. That's
Yes.
our national bird.
It's our national bird.
But it's blue. I thought ours was got like it's colorful.
It's a.
Is that the one? And then the feathers are gonna
that's
come
about-
out.
No, that
this
one.
is
The
the
one that's
bird, yeah.
featured as a national bird. That's a very common
Yeah, it's
one.
here. And
It's
this
a
should
male.
be a Papuan
Papuan parakeet. Lorikeet.
lorikeet.
That's yeah, I see that everywhere. It's quite common. That's Kumul. Is that
Hello?
our national bird? That's Kumul.
Yeah, come on.
But in blue, yeah.
That. We don't have the common one. Oh,
It's an interesting
I just
cough.
feel like sitting here. This is cool.
There's an ant on the hair.
And
Yeah, ant.
Where and there's a fly on your hair. We're in a nature park, so I guess that's fine.
actually one year
Yeah.
I stayed.
Hey, Kumul. Stephania.
I grew a lot of this. What do they call it? Different types. I think 6 or 7 types I grew.
Our flowers
What did
are
you grow?
kinda big.
This type of flower. I forgot the name. Inoctadid. Oh, they grew very nicely. It's nice and cool and always wet up there.
And our trees and toys are very, very huge.
You're from Tari?
Okay.
And their flowers are huge too.
Yes.
Oh, they used to call them mama flower.
Mama flowers.
Mama
What?
flower.
Not the toy.
The trees. The ones on the trees. I forgot the name of this flower.
We call it toy.
Really?
You call it tari too? Okay.
Or hella.
Hela province. Tari is a district.
The name of they call the trees and the flowers. The name too. And the yard trees.
Okay. Oh, guys, now we're at the Regina's Bird of Paradise cage.
Oh, here we are.
This is our bird. Where are you, Regina?